Hi, welcome to the introduction tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can use dynamic tabs to get the most out of your tabulation data. Traditional tabulation software requires you to create your subgroups one by one. With dynamic tabs, you can create custom subgroups on the fly quickly and easily. Dynamic tabs is an online application that lets you view and present your tabulation data in a unique and engaging format. Let's start a new project to see how it works. We'll give it a name, call it tutorial. Now let's add a survey to our project. Give this a name too. Let's take a look at the format we should use to upload our data by downloading the example template. In our data file, the first two columns show respondent ID and weight. Each of these rows represents one respondent in our survey. In this example, our data is unweighted, so we'll set the weight column equal to 1. The rest of the columns in this file correspond to questions from our survey. Let's take a look at the first one. What is your age? The important thing to note here is the header name. We have the text of the question, followed by an underscore, followed by the text of the response stub. So you can see that on question 1, our first 3 respondents answered that they were under 21 years old. The next column has the same question text, but different response text. Let's take a look at question 5, which asks about familiarity with various fictional beverage brands. Some of these response options are for alcoholic beverage brands, so they weren't answered by respondents who indicated they were under 21 years old. The rest of the columns in this file all follow the same format. Now let's go back to our project. We'll upload our data file. And right away we can see a frequency tabulation of our uploaded data. But we don't just want to see frequencies, we want to explore custom subgroups. So let's create a filter to do that. We'll give our new filter a name, call it age. We'll create a segment for respondents under 21. We'll add a couple more segments. And now we'll have a segment for each age range in our data file. Now we can use our newly created filter to explore custom subgroups on any question. We can create as many filters as we like, so let's add another filter and see how it looks. We'll create a filter for gender. I think the big advantage to this approach is that we have a huge number of potential combinations of possible subgroups. This gives us a lot of freedom to explore and find new insights in our data. This has covered only the basics of what's possible with dynamic tabs. So if you'd like more information, don't hesitate to sign up for a free trial account and contact us by email or phone, which can be found on our contact page. Thanks for watching.